Why is there a camera in the bathroom?
There's not! Stop. That's bad. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are at Spare Time. We are going to be bowling today, so let's go. First bowl. Papa's first bowl to strike.
Do a bile.
No.
Dog.
The names we chose for this, Dylan is D, I'm Grandpa, Zay is obviously Zay Bay, and then Jacob's Epstein, and we got Pooch for the cameraman. It is now Epstein's bowl.
I'm thinking of Zay's hole.
Well, that's a good reason. D. Oh, shit, D. Bloody!
I put a little too much force into it.
Let's see if Smelly Papa can get another strike. Two in a row.
How do you do that?
I don't know. I've never bowled this good before. It's it. I don't know. I guess it's just because I'm a Smelly Papa. I'm a grandpa. I'm just a grandpa. Oh, it's just so smelly.
I should bowl with my left hand.
Yeah, sure. You go ahead, buddy.
Yo, that's power!
Go, babe. What a sexy bowler.
Let's go, baby. REVENGE on my body. You got it, buddy. Yes, D. Yes, D. Yeah.
Almost my first strike.
It was so close to a strike.
Now we're going with precision.
You got it, buddy. Yes! WD-40. Let's see if Papa can go 3 for 3. No! I wanted a turkey!
It's okay. You still get your third.
I wanted a turkey. Son of a bitch.
It's okay. You have to fall before you rise.
You're right. Just like Elden Ring.
Just like Elden Ring.
Yep.
The best game ever made.
Yes. Top 3 games ever made for sure.
Top 3, yeah.
It's definitely top 3. Let's go, Zay!
You got one! You got one.
Uncle! You got it, buddy.
For 12 inches.
Buddy. Buddy! It's okay.
I don't know you.
You're right.
I believe it.
Who's this guy? This is not my buddy. I only know my buddy. I don't know this guy.
I don't know you.
Grandpa is going for his 3rd strike of the night. I did 3rd strike of the night. Never mind, I'm fucking ass.
Got more than me.
What am I booing? How did that not knock them all down? I threw it so hard.
The heavier ball.
Maybe, yeah. The ball wasn't that heavy. Whatever. I'm just straight buns, I guess. Come on, buddy. That's good, D! Oh. Yes, D. Oh!
I gotta get my bowl ready. Like what? Huh?
I got one. I'm happy with one.
I thought he might hit one just because the
I don't know.
Patriots.
Oh! Smelly uncle!
Naked penis. I locked in.
Shake it for me, man.
What?
Nothing. Good job, buddy. Papa's going for his third strike. Yeah, that's three, okay. Son of a... Only one! I need to hit 6 or 7. Can you kill me, D? Right now. I'm going with the light ball. I'm gonna throw this thing as hard as I can. Too hard! I'm gonna kill myself. We're in the ghetto. That's ridiculous! Are they chanting dick over there?
You can do
Are they chanting dick, 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 dick?
Because they're the pedal.
I'm never hitting that shot, and no one else here would either, okay?
I think the young heart made him nervous.
999.
Okay. Yeah, what deal is that?
He got 9.
Oh, 999. Yeah, for Jared. Fuck you, Uncle.
Let's go, babe.
Look at that, baby. Look at that, baby.
I just got reset.
Again? It malfunctioned again, and it just reset Dylan's frame for some reason.
I'm going to pull and then I'm going to do it again and I'm going to check the settings on here.
Okay. I guess it reset your frame after you went the first time, so it started your first turn again.
Oh, so it's still my turn?
Yeah, still your turn.
Okay.
We're all 6-7?
None of us get any points anymore.
What?
All three of us are at 6-7.
That's insane. First strike of the night. Oh! Yeah, smelly papa. Smelly papa.
Because if you get multiple strikes in a row, you get bonus points.
I think so. I don't know. No!
A single strike is 10 plus your next 2 rolls. I don't know what it means.
I don't know what that means either.
The first one is all.
Let's go, D!
First ever strike.
He got his strike.
Let's go, buddy. Yay!
All right, Papa going for his 4th strike. That might be it. You know what? I'm just gonna rip straight ass during this bowl. Oh, I ripped straight ass during that bowl. That was a good ass bowl. Papa believes in you. All right, this is the last frame. So Papa's gonna try his hardest to get his 4th strike of the night. And they're talking shit behind the camera. They shouldn't be talking shit though, because Papa's him.
Shell job.
Bad grandpa.
Bad pedo.
Last frame, Zay's, oh no.
Let's go, babe.
Uncle's big booties. Ugh. Zaybay's booties. Oh, Zaybay's ball. Move your booties! Move! That is the final score. Jago got 1st. I got 2nd. Dylan got 3rd. Zay got 4th. And cameraman. So we just finished bowling and Jacob won. So now we're gonna play in the arcade for a while. And we gotta buy these cards real quick before we play because it's retarded. Ooh, I got a handful of your nuts. I got a handful of his nuts.
I was just stalking. Oh. I'll hop on this like I'm gonna practice on Zay's dick.
Bro, you're so gay. What the? That's disgusting. That's pretty bad.
You got this. You gotta ride the bike.
Oh, that's easy for Zay. This what?
I gotta have a little fin.
Way to go, D! You got the fit. So, Abby couldn't come tonight because she don't feel good, and Abby is D's girlfriend. So D got her a fit. Fit. Go Zay, babe. Go Zay, babe. Go Zay, babe.
What am I doing?
What are you booing?
Shut up. Yeah, shut up.
Who's winning?
I don't know. I think I am.
Right there in front of me. You see yourself?
Jacob's beating you, D, Zay.
Right there.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm ahead by much.
No, not really, but you're still ahead.
He's past me.
I don't know. I'm trying to do this.
Oh.
Who's behind me? What the?
Yeah, whoa, Zay.
Off the bike. Off the bike.
Bro, I'm not. Go, Zay. Damn,
Nigga, shut the fuck up, bro. You're just damn dumb. Like, you cheated.
you're ass,
Hey, look
bro.
at this nigga right here behind me. He's being gay.
I was like, go Zay, babe. Go Zay, babe.
You ruined it.
Oh,
Literally, this nigga, I would have won had you not got out here and been angry.
shit. Damn
I'm not
it.
getting into this dumbass shit. Get out of here. Ow.
You hit your balls?
No. not
Oh.
yet.
You okay, Daddy?
Yeah.
We gonna rub it?
No, I'm okay. But your big ass fucking ass got back
Okay,
here and
okay.
It was anyway down each side.
I know. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad. Oh my gosh, I'm terrible. I ended with 50.
I did one more pull from the crane. Just one.
And you got another
I
one?
got like 5.
5?
I got all
He
this
just got
one
more
pull.
fizz.
One pull.
That's insane. How do you get that from one pole?
It just didn't drop them when it picked them all up.
WD, I guess.
WD-40.
W-Brody.
WD-40.
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 Where I go?
That looked really good. Oh, Uncle with the strong
I did it for
820.
Zay. Still bad. Y'all go.
You want Papa to go?
What's the prayer to go?
It felt way better than that.
I'm a demon.
What the hell? Again?
Yeah, I got another.
Deep or another?
I got $3 more before I'm at 9 for the thing.
Jay was getting attempt at. He's actually good at basketball, so we'll see how he does.
Back on it.
Self, dude. No man should be this good.
Way too many. Like peas.
Okay. Come on, Uncle. What do you get?
I didn't get the record.
Where's the timer show?
Oh, I got it.
You got the record?
Yeah, I did.
What?
Or I tied it.
We were gonna play laser tag, but sadly, I doubt they'll let us film. So we're not gonna film. We're just gonna go in there and have a good time playing laser tag, and we'll pick up the camera when we're done. All right?
Yeah, I'm about to touch the camera, kitty.
Don't touch my cameraman. That's my cameraman.
Touch him in laser
You don't touch my cameraman. He's our cameraman. Jake is gonna try and shoot the ball from way back there. Cameraman just shot this one on top of the machine, but hey, fuck it, we ball.
Dude, I like men.
He's ass. Ass. Bro, no! No! Cameraman!
I'm getting it up. That's why I do it like that.
Oh my god. Hey. Hey. Fuck it, we ball.
He a broke nigga, need a fix up. He a hoe nigga, need a pill, huh? Big gun, walk with a lil, huh?
Of course it is.
Hey, turn all the lights on. I don't know, I don't want to risk it. Look at the cute ass nigga in the back. So cute.
Cutie.
Don't hide from the paparazzi, Zay-Bay. Can you pull out your dick now? Hi, buddy.
Hey, nothing.
Buddy.
You stupid nothing.
I didn't mean
Hi, buddy.
Hey, nothing. Stupid.
I didn't mean to, but I slid.
Kick me.
Boy, I'm about to drop you on the car. Everyone's gonna watch you get molested. No, boy, I didn't mean to. Stupid. I didn't mean to.
Really solid.
Leave me alone. I'm not even doing it.
something on
Close
his
to me,
car.
you don't fall.
I'd be scared to fall off.
I'm not scared to fall off. I got good balance.
I think you would be good, D.
That guy's looking at me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Zay's rocking the boat. Zay's rocking the boat.
There's nothing to grab onto. Oh,
Yeah, there is. It seems like it's okay.
I don't know. You can if you want. If you break it, you break it.
You bought it.
Are you gonna, you gonna stand up there, D? Look at my buddy!
Nothing.
I come bringing peace to the Middle East.
D, you gotta yell, buddy!
Say a Hitler reference.
Buddy, buddy, buddy! Buddy, buddy, buddy! Buddy, buddy, buddy! Buddy, buddy, buddy!
Okay, I'm gonna die.
Okay.
He's mad.
Let's move, D!
Did you hear me?
Yeah. Parkour! Parkour! Parkour!
But I said Bucor.
Get out.
You said you want to fuck me right now?
Bro, what in the bathroom, bro?
Zay, I'm not gay. Come on now.
I mean, not even funny. Why is there a camera in the bathroom?
There's not!
Bro, you're disgusting, bro.
Zay, you're gonna get me arrested. You fucking stink, bro.
Oh my god.
Can I get the barbecue sandwich tray?
You want slaw on that?
Yes, please.
What's your size?
Can I do cheese bites for both sides?
And what for the drink?
Can I get a huge drink? You look cute over there, Zay.
Brody, Brody, Brody. Brody, Brody, Brody.
You're an insurance taker. Yeah, if you get like married or like you get a divorce, you can pass it with the enrollment period.
We are married.
No, we're not.
Why didn't I get the insurance thing? We've been married.
We're not married. Why do you want to be married to me so bad? It's ridiculous if you ask me.
Everyone
I wanna
does.
have sex with you. You're never having sex with me, bro. That's sick. That's gay. We're not like that. Bro, get that out. That camera.
Hi, Brody. Brody, 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 Brody.
Bro.
He's trying to scratch the lens.
Don't scratch the lens. Yeah, it could.
I'm telling you to make it back.
Why are you raising the
Stop pounding Stop pounding my fans. They're minors.
Brody, Brody, Brody.
bitch ass nigga?
Brody, Brody, Brody.
Brody, 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 Brody. Oh look, dude. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. Yeah. Open it! Brody! Uncle! Uncle! Thank you, Zay-Bay!
I unlocked, not him.
Oh.
I did unlock it. No, you didn't.
Chopper make you hit your dance. I spin the grip on Gucci shit, I love designer pants. No, I can't love no groupie, bitch, I fuck 'em like a fan. Shoot a movie with this chopper, I'm the cameraman.